Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you're posting attendance. Also, please make sure you have synced your grades in Schoology to PowerSchool. We are reaching the end of the quarter, so the majority of your grades should already be living in PowerSchool. After school tutoring will resume today, 3/8. Also, the book fair will be Wednesday. A book fair setup will be Wednesday, preview day Thursday, and starts on Friday through the following Thursday. She will send out schedules this week. Late duty today is Miss Hamlin, tomorrow Miss Langford, Thursday Miss Barnes, and Friday Miss Waller. Read Across America. Yesterday we celebrated green eggs and ham. Today we are celebrating the foot book, so you can wear crazy or mismatched shoes. Tomorrow is a wacky Wednesday. Wear a wacky tie or scarf. Important dates. Tutoring resumes. Wednesday, March 9th, we'll have Integrity Handbook training with Ms. Gibbs during your hour-long PE time. Friday, March 11th is out of uniform for Jump Rope for Heart. Monday, March 18th is the ACAP faculty meeting. Tuesday, March 15th is Blood Drive. Wednesday, March 16th is Spring Pictures. Thursday, March 17th, the third quarter ends. Friday, March 18th is the Teacher Workday and No School for Students. Monday, March 21st, ACAP alternate and summative testing begin, as well as the fourth quarter. Tuesday, March 22nd is the Math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have the HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday. And Tuesday, March 29th is PST. AR Superstars. These have met their quarterly goal already this quarter. Miss Bernalino's class, Cameron Brown Carson, Braylon Jackson. Miss Curd's class, Mayerly Vasquez. Miss Duberg's class, Cameron Anderson. Destiny Brooks, Aisha Lowell, Rebecca Mendez, Marquil Moy, Coriante Shepard, and Mason Sullivan. In Miss Granger's class, we have Janae McCarroll, Melanie Robinson, and Ryan Rodriguez. In Miss Hamlin's class, Jasper Beard. In Miss Hogan's class, Gavin Berry. In Miss Langford's class, Jahaven Hill. In Miss Moore's class, Isabella Edwards and Jordan Fulton. And Miss Weaver's class, Avari Grandison and Haley McDonald. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.